Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad DADANG Ansari, and I am a master student in the Faculty of Engineering, Tadulako University. On this occasion, I will present a summary of the data mining course based on Zyman. Introduction. Data mining is a process of discovering pattern relationship and important information from the large data set using statistical, mathematical, and machine learning technique. The main goal of the data mining is to transform raw data into useful information that can be used for decision making. Okay. Now we were to the first assignment. It's state of the art. Uh, in this assignment, we were asked to collect a journal, and journal I choose it was application of data mining technique based on deep learning for sentiment analysis of the e-commerce product review. Here I look for five journal with the quartile ranking between key 1 and key 2. Okay, the journal I choose. The first is transforming sentiment analyzing for e-commerce product review hybrid deep learning on the model, and the second is a hybrid sentiment analyzing for textual data. The third is sentiment classification based on attention bill LSTM. And fourth is autonomous sentiment analysis using Heracles by CNN e-commerce dataset. And the last one is sustainable sentiment analysis in the e-commerce platform using a hybrid deep learning approach. We can see on the screen, and we move to second assignment. Is on this second assignment, we are asked to replicate it on the learning module with a biometrical dataset, and this dataset is created by Dr. Henrique Demota. Okay, and the first step, we classify a patient into the two category. It's 100 the normal patient and 210 abnormal patient. We can see on the screen is stage info testing in the library display outliner. The final result is Canva with the size of 10. And we move on the task 3 is still using the same model, but with a different dataset. And dataset I use is a dataset in the hospital. In the hospital, it's 4 years, uh, 1999 until 2008. With many data, it's 166 data, and also is display the data, and the final result it display a Canva. Okay, and we move on the text 4. The next text 4 is to explain the histogram method. Histogram method. Histogram participation of the range its numeric attribute values into several bins. the calculate frequency each bin. Advantage is kind of easy to understand, speed up queries or meaning, and allow for distribution estimation. On the screen, we can see the simple calculation example. And it's the final task. Task 5 is a replication a learning module on classification that include both testing and training data. In this image, it display conclusion matrix. Is result from the classification process is rapid minor is a receive accuracy value in 81.66%, indicated that the model has quite good classification capability. The distribution of the prediction between class show the most of the data has been correctly classified. And next is we use uh, I use Kaggle data. It's adult income data set, which prediction someone earns more $50,000 per years. And when we can see on the screen, it's receive a correction of 83.06%, and the kappa of 0.394, and it was resolved by using Python with a very close result of the 86.02%, and the kappa of 0.5572. Then we test again with the using random forest method. It's received an accuracy. It's 85.27%, and a kappa of 0.568. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.